Hello guys, you see your trader 𝗕𝗿𝗄𝗃 speaking, and hope you guys are doing all good. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new, which is your first time on the channel, you're welcome, and I'm glad to have you right here. So today I'm actually going to be showing you something on 𝗥𝗲𝗄𝗃, all right? I want to be showing you something on gold. I want to be showing you how I actually caught this particular trade you can see on the screen right now, okay? Now just right now you're going to see the before of this particular trade, okay? You're going to see my analysis and my entry before we actually had this amazing move right here, okay? And you can see how the trade played out. You can see how my take profit was on point, okay? You can see my entry and everything, all right? So now the reason of this video is just that I want to actually show you why I took this trade, all right? What did I see that made me take this trade, okay? Now it might be a little advanced, but don't be scared, okay? I'm making this video to help other traders out there, all right? I'm making this video to also help other traders out there be able to trade independently, okay? At least if you're not in the mentorship group, you can also get some piece of value right here, okay? Now, as of the time of that trade, okay? As of the time of that trade, we had this structure over here, right? So from the daily, what I did was from the daily, I looked at it. I was like, okay, what are we likely to see next on the daily time frame? Okay, I was like, okay, well, the next candle that is actually going to form, am I anticipating to close as a bullish or bearish candlestick? Okay, so as of the time of that trade, okay, I think this was the candlestick that was forming then. Okay, this either of these two, and we cannot really recall. I think this happened yesterday. Okay, no, 2 days back. Okay, as of the time of making this video, this is actually Thursday, 12 a.m. Okay, so I took this trade on Wednesday. Okay, so this is Thursday for me right here, if I'm not mistaken. This is Wednesday. I think, okay, now it was on this candlestick, okay? So I anticipated that the candlestick was going to close to be bearish, okay? It was going to close to be bearish. So I already had it in my head that, okay, I am anticipating what a bearish move for the day. I want to actually catch what a bearish move for the day. So I went down to my 4-hour time frame, okay? Now on my 4-hour time frame, okay, if you look closely, what can you see? What can you see? It's actually what a bullish structure, quite all right, okay? The bullish structure. Now, even from the daily, if you can look from the daily, you're going to see that, okay, now the overall is that we are actually looking for bullish structure, okay? Because price took out this high, all right? And then price what is selling down. So actually from this other block over here, all right? Because this is an other block. This, both of these candles are what are another block, okay? So we actually have this other block. So price was actually selling into this other block. And definitely we're actually going to see buys, okay? You're definitely going to see buys. But then as of the time of taking that trade, okay, there was actually a very good selling opportunity, all right? So I went out to my H4. I saw this structure, okay? But then it's not really clear on the H4. So I had to go down to my 1-hour time frame. It was on the 1-hour time frame I saw the structure quite clearly, all right? And then I knew that, okay, now this is going to be an opportunity for me to go bearish, all right? Now, seeing this structure right here, okay? Now, if you are actually able to analyze this price, you're going to see that the overall movement, okay? If you're going to swing this, if you're actually going to swing this, it's going to be a buy if you're going to swing. But I only wanted to scalp, and I saw an opportunity for a sell, and then I took the sell, okay? I scalped the sell. Now, take a look at this price movement over here, all right? Basically, what I trade on currency, I trade price structure, I trade liquidity, okay? Now, if you want to pay attention to price structure, you're going to see we'll have a series of lower lows and lower highs. Though this is just a corrective move, all right? And then the buy that is going on now will most likely be what? Be the impulsive, all right? Now, see, first of all, price took out this high, all right? Took out this low, blah, blah, blah. But then we had a lower low, lower high, a lower low, lower high, lower low. So for this meantime, we were on a downtrend, okay? Now, I looked at current price structure, which was this, and that was my focus, all right? Just what you can see on the screen right now. It was this whole chart data, all right? All this you can see that I highlighted was what I was actually paying attention to as of the time of taking that trade, okay? So I noticed that price did what? Price took out this previous low, all right? So price broke, it broke this previous low, okay? But then, do not also forget, we also had what? Equal highs on top of this. Okay, we had equal highs here, and if you've been following me on this channel, you know that whenever we see equal highs, it rings a bell of what liquidity. We have liquidity line above this equal highs. All right, now see that price has actually taken down this previous low. Okay, I spotted something. And what did I spot? I spotted an imbalance over here. Okay, an imbalance over here. Now I know that for sure, if price goes back to this imbalance, we have a high probability that price will definitely sell from that imbalance, at least to this previous low from over here. Okay, so immediately I spotted the imbalance. What did I do? I began to look for an entry. So I went down to my 15 minutes time frame. Okay, I went down to my 15 minutes time frame. Okay, and then I started looking for structure. Okay, now on the 16 minutes time frame, it was not really clear to me. Okay, it was not so clear, so I had to go down to my M5. My M5 was what I used for the final analysis and even my execution. All right, so I saw that on the 5 minutes we had price take out this high. All right, take out, it basically took a buy side liquidity over there, and then we also had price take out or sell side liquidity over here. All right, now what is the next? We want to see price retrace to maybe an imbalance or another block. All right, now in this case, there was no imbalance for price to fill. So what did I use for my entry? I used what? Another block. All right, now I used this last bullish candlestick before the move that actually took out the previous low. So I used the open of the candlestick for my entry. You can see, all right, so the open, which is actually this point here. Let me use this, the open. Let me make it bigger so you can actually understand it. All right, now this big black horizontal line that I use for my entry. Okay, that is the open of this. You can see open of this bullish candlestick here before the move that actually broke structure. So I decided to use that as my entry price. Okay, and then my stop loss was just few pips above the previous high. Now, why did I actually place my take profit here? Okay, why did I place my take profit here? I knew that, okay, price will most likely go for sell side liquidity. All right, so the reason why I did not extend this was that, first of all, I knew that we are on an uptrend overall, and price will most likely continue the uptrend. And then also, I do not know how much of the sell side liquidity price will want to grab. So I was not sure if price was going to go way down or maybe halfway, stuff like that. Okay, so I just put it at that low because I was quite convinced that price will definitely hit this low. And you can see price sniped it, and then just after price down, I think profit started going up. All right, so I believe this video was helpful. Okay, so I think we're going to stop here for now. When it comes to currency, what I usually trade is just the gold pair. All right, so I believe this video was helpful. Follow me for more videos like this. All right, join my Telegram channel, message me on WhatsApp to stay in contact with me. All right, I'm glad to have you on this. It's King, and I'm signing out.